Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Sagittarius fire sign. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Sagittarius. Page of Cups. The Hierophant. King of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah, I think you are going to receive some messages or some communication from your person and or from somebody. Definitely in past there could be some commitment issues between both of you. Definitely now your person want to commit to you. The Hierophant with the King of Pentacles. Definitely they want to commit to you this time. They want to apologize you for what they did to you in past. Definitely some apologies coming, some messages is coming in your way. Yeah, they want to offer stability and they want to commit to you this time. So let's pull some more cards. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles, King of Swords, the Judgment. Yeah, definitely your person coming towards you. It is very slow moving energy, Knight of Pentacles, but they are coming. Judgment. Yeah, someone in this connection made a major decision. And King of Swords, your person want to give clarity or you want clarity from your person, and that is coming, Sagittarius, because I think in past there are commitment issues. You have no clarity about the connection, what they are up to, but now your person want to commit to you and they want to give clarity. For some you cut your person off. There is no communication or less communication between both of you. For some your person approaching you and they want to communicate you. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see. Energy could be vice versa depending on situation. Yes, Queen of Swords, King of Swords and Queen of Swords, you both could be stubborn. The Fool, Five of Pentacles. Yeah, for some there is separation between both of you. Your person want new beginning with you. They want to start new beginning and they want to give clarity. I think it's you, Sagittarius. You stand by your power. Now your person want to take leap of faith. They want to offer new beginning because there is separation between both of you due to commitment issues in past. Yeah, for some new person may be entering in your life. I think there is communication is going to be happen between both of you, those who are in no contact or less contact between both of you. This is your situation. Yeah, the Death, Ten of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. Wow, definitely you or your person maybe undergo some transformation. Scorpio, you or your person could be Scorpio also. Yeah, stability and Nine of Cups. Definitely you both are wishing for this connection or your person may be wishing for this connection and they want to offer stability. And you are financially become very abundant because Ten of Pentacles and with Nine of Cups. Definitely Sagittarius, you may be concentrating on your career in these recent times. It is very good sign, definitely very positive for you. Please concentrate on your career. Definitely Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles with the Nine of Cups. Definitely your wishes will be granted, Sagittarius. You or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull your person energy little bit. Definitely someone from your past approaching you. Your past person, maybe your ex, maybe your friend, whatever, whoever, they want reconciliation with you. They want to commit to you. So let's pull some cards regarding your person energy. The Rebel. Yeah, The Emperor, definitely they are in this energy, they want to commit to you. Comparison, 5 of Swords. Maturity, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, your person right now, they are feeling they want to offer commitment to you. In past there are some disturbances between both of you, because comparison means 5 of Swords. I think your person may be cheated on you, lied to you. Definitely they backstabbed on you. Now they want to offer maturity, Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment to you. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Your person near future actions towards you. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Fighting, Page of Swords, Inner Voice, High Priestess, and Sharing, Queen of Pentacles, and one more card. Outsider, 5 of Pentacles 2 times. Definitely they are very sad without you, and they're feeling like outsider, 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, they want to their near future actions, they are now listening to their intuition. Definitely Page of Swords, they are spying on your social media. Some communication, definitely you will both communicate. And Sharing, yeah, they have strong emotions for you, definitely. And Sharing, yeah, they want to share their love and emotions with you. Sharing means Queen of Pentacles. A lot of air energy is also here, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's pull some more cards where your connection is headed by from the universe. Regarding your connection from the universe, Sagittarius, your connection card. Queen of Pentacles 2 times. Yeah, Ace of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, Four of Wands. Yeah, definitely I already told you, communication, definitely you both will communicate, and you both are waiting for each other. 7 of Pentacles, you both invest in this connection, or one person invest more than the other connection, more than the other person. And yeah, Sharing, definitely you both want to share your friendship or your love between both of you. Definitely you both want to share with each other. And 4 of Wands, yeah, you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. You both want this with each other. This is very happy card in the deck, very, very positive card in the whole deck. Yeah, definitely truth coming out and communication. You both want to communicate to each other. Definitely this connection is going to be next level in the next few months or few weeks, definitely, because the connection card here, 4 of Wands with Ace of Swords, definitely both want new beginning with each other and with a happy. And with Queen of Pentacles, definitely you want to share. Queen of Pentacles means very sharing and caring. You both want to share everything with each other. And yeah, 7 of Pentacles, waiting. You both invest in this connection, definitely worth waiting for. This is worth waiting for. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But lot of I am seeing here earth energy and air energy. It could be any sign, but regarding cards I am telling here based on these cards. So let's see. Yeah, under the deck, this deck, the Magician, definitely you are in the manifesting energy, Sagittarius, right now. What you are wishing, that wishes are going to be granted. Definitely the Magician is in manifesting energy. You are manifesting right now the Cup of Love, Pentacles, and everything. You are in this energy. Yeah, your person may be in this energy. Beyond illusion means justice. Yeah, they want second chance with you. Definitely they want reconciliation with you. For some, definitely for some, your person may be taking some major decisions in their life. I think your person may want reconciliation with you, major of you, very few. Some new person entering in your life, but most of you past person want reconciliation with you and they want to start again with you, Sagittarius. This is the reading for you, Sagittarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please click the bell icon, then you will get all notification. So please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.